Good morning, everybody. Monday morning after a beautiful holiday weekend. Hopefully all of you guys are doing good. We got Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. First in the chat today. What's going on, Crypto Rocketeer? Nick F, how you doing? Pugnacious Crypto, Mark, and Kalani. What's up, Brosafinos? What's going on? Kalani, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing better than the market today because the market is down. The NASDAQ was doing very well earlier, but it is currently down over 0.5%. We've got AMC top left down 4% today, sitting at $17.30. Shiba Inu coin $24.37. GameStop 7% deep in the red right now, $140.33. Farmy is sitting just above break even, 1.19% higher. NASDAQ down 0.60%. Guys, the NASDAQ was already up 0.25% today, and it has done nothing since 10:30 but go down. Getting blasted over here. We've got Prague sitting at $1.01 right now, barcoding right above that break-even level, closed at $1 on Thursday, currently sitting at $1.01 right now. We've got AMC, we talked about that, Ethereum getting hit, Shiba getting hit, Bitcoin getting hit, Sundial right at break-even right now, 53.05, Mullen Auto, oh my God, getting blasted. 16% down this morning. CEI is up 15%. So if you guys are in both of those, you're just barely breaking even. We've got the SPY down 0.25% this morning. BBIG up 6%, sitting at 258, and Highcroft Mining down 7.70%. Also doing well this morning, BitNile. BitNile was doing well. I don't know if we've got BitNile on this watch list or not, but it was up about 30% earlier. I don't know where it is. I could have swore it was on this. I swear it was on that list right there. Maybe not. Up 18% right now, sitting at 65.29. Was doing very well at 73 cents earlier, but 65.21 right now. Oh man, the volatility is killing me, ladies and gentlemen. And Farmy, they had a meeting Thursday night. Still no news on what the meeting held for us, so we'll have to see what's going on there. What's good, bro? Light duty back at work. Moto Lifer, very nice, man. Glad to see you're feeling a little bit better, and hopefully your recovery continues on. What is Shiba's bottom? Noura Muhammad, very good question. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu coin graph over here if we can find it. Because I believe the bottom, the near-term bottom, is going to be between these 2,000 and 2,200 point per coin level. So if you can see, we're right here, bouncing up a little bit from where we were earlier today, touching roughly 2370-ish, 2360, and bouncing back up a little bit. It touched this level, like right in here, this little level of support. The main level of support is basically 2,300. We get that from boom, 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 touching it way back in here, and then boom, boom, using it as resistance on the way back up. Now, if it falls below 2,300, it could be getting stuck within a range here. This is 2,150, and this is a little bit of a tighter range, but the real range is going to go all the way back down here to 2,000 points per coin. So it had a very difficult time sustaining any moves below 2,000 points per coin back here in late January into early February. So if we do fall below this 2,300 level, I would imagine we get stuck in between 2,000 and 2,300 points per coin. Now, beyond that, I do not want to see a break of 2,000 points per coin, but I think a break of 2,000 points per coin could coincide with a break on Bitcoin below this 33,000 or even 30,000 level. If that happens, I would say we've got a lot of downside left. Bitcoin, the line in the sand for me on Bitcoin is $30,000. If Bitcoin breaks $30,000, we really don't have any resistance until we come back down into the, or any support, sorry, until we come back down to this $10,000 per coin level. Now, there's a little bit of a hiccup in this area at $20,000 and a little bit in here at 25. But the main level of resistance we're not going to see until we get down here to about $10,000, $11,000 per coin on Bitcoin. Now, that could be very, very similar to what we see in Shiba Inu coin. If we break this 2,000 point per coin level, you can see the major level of support in this 2,000 point per coin level. If we don't maintain that, I would not be surprised to be back down here at 1,000 to $500, 1,000 to 500 points per coin. If Bitcoin falls through 30,000 and Shiba Inu coin falls through 2,000. I would not be surprised to see those levels. So near-term levels that I expect to hold up are 2,300 points per coin and 2,000 points per coin. So we're going to have to see what happens from there on out if it does break those levels. Zoom in a little bit on these graphs so we can see what's going on here. AMC, I'm telling you though, the market has been having a very difficult time lately. I mean, this is just, it's tough. It's very tough. Falling through this level here, if we do continue to the downside, I would imagine the market is not going to find support. Why do I keep saying resistance? Find support again. I want it to be going up and talking about resistance levels. Finding support until 12,500 points again on the NASDAQ here. So very significant levels that we're at right now, and we hope that they're able to maintain one another. We do not want to be touching levels of support anymore. Let's see. Darn it, gotta go. I'm meeting with the mayor. Sucks. See you later, bro. Kalani. Enjoy your afternoon, man. And hopefully if you come back later, the market is going to be bouncing instead of falling down. Hey, what's going on? Hopefully you had a great weekend. Meta Pockets. I did, man. I had a great weekend. Dude, I visited my sister yesterday for a minute. She's got a cat. And she just recently got this cat. Dude, I'm telling you, man, I forgot how allergic to cats I was until I went to her house to see this cat, dude. It's ridiculous. It's literally like kryptonite. It's literally, you know, you can go from feeling completely fine to just in a matter of seconds. And I swear, like, there's not a ton of people in here. I swear, like, my left eye still looks a little puffy here from being swollen up, being swollen yesterday, and just ridiculous, man. I mean, dogs will get me, pollen will get me, but dude, cats are crazy. Cats are crazy, man. Where's Danger? I don't know where Danger is at. Danger was texting me. Where the heck is Danger? He's supposed to be in here. I'm supposed to sing that dude happy birthday. Psh, we see 2250. I'm adding another 10 million to my bag. Beautiful dip. I'm buying opportunity. Kalani, man. Very good. Yeah, if you see 2250s, I wouldn't imagine that. Honestly, I don't imagine it going below 2,000 points per coin, right? But I do see it happening if Bitcoin falls below 30, if people continue to talk about recessions, and all of this crap along with the Federal Reserve increasing interest rates and stuff. It is a possibility, guys. Everything is going to go back up starting tomorrow. It's just last tax day. Boom, Harris. I hope so, man. I hope so. I like your positivity, man. Good morning, everybody. Cassie, what's going on? Good morning to you. It looked like middle school. No, I took a picture last night. My eyes weren't terribly swollen last night, but dude, they were watering like crazy. They did not feel good. And then I'm like, dude, it's crazy what a cat will do to you. Moto Lifer, thank you very much for the cat, man. I appreciate that because we're having a good old cat weekend. Thank you very much, Moto Lifer. I should start sneezing when I see that super sticker cat come on there, man. Absolutely appreciate it. You guys are amazing. And thank you for reminding me that is my kryptonite. You can go on it. It is crazy, man. It is. Does anybody else in here have allergies like that? I mean, I don't have any food allergies like peanuts or anything like that. So I am very grateful for that. But dude, I am telling you, it is like just somebody turns on a switch, man, and it'll just take you out. I don't hate cats though, Pugnacious. Like, I don't mind cats at all. And my sister's cat's actually a really cool cat. It's one of those Bengal cats, and super soft, man. Really cool cat. But it's my kryptonite, dude. It kills me. Hurrah, do you stake or earn on Binance with your crypto? So no, I actually don't, I don't have anything on Binance. I've got some on Crypto.com and I've got some on, Trust Wallet. So I've got some DeFi and I've got some on Crypto.com, but I do not currently have any staked. My grandma went and I got herself a dog for Easter. Very nice, Cassie. What kind of dog did she get? Trying to help your allergies, bro. You need exposure. Yeah, man, that's what they say. They say if you just surround yourself with what you're allergic to, you're going to be doing better off. I wish I had a picture from when you came to pick... Dude, Nick F., I wish I had a picture from when I came to pick you up. The thing is, when I came to pick you up, I don't even think you would have been able to take a picture unless you had an actual camera that you were getting developed, man. Where's the fam I needed to see? Oh, there's the fam I needed to see. Dindy James, man. Clay, you need cats, hats, or props when you do those meows. I do. I need to go get some more props, man. I need to. My props are downstairs. I don't have any cats that I could do it with. But Dindy, man, thank you for the... You're number one. You're number one. You're number one. Dindy, you know what you are, man? You're number one. Thank you very much, Dindy. You're number one, man. Appreciate all the super stickers, guys. You guys are amazing. I'm allergic to hay. I get a rash all over my arm, so mostly have... Where did that go? Mostly have to have someone else feed my horse. Grandma got a dog. Looks a lot like Benji. Who's Benji, man? I don't even know who Benji is. Yeah, being allergic, I don't think I'm not really allergic to hay or anything. At least not that I know of. You know you're a wussy when your weakness is puppies. AMC Future Millionaire. I'm telling you, it's crazy, dude. I feel that way because, you know, puppies are like the cutest things ever, right? And then if they start to lick you and you start to just deteriorate, it's terrible, man. It is. Like, honestly, I couldn't have a puppy or a little kitten lick me. I couldn't do it, man. I don't even think I could be in the same room as a little kitten, but yeah, like if a puppy started to lick me, game over. Game over, man. A puppy can take me out in a matter of minutes. AMC, like my mom's got a Chihuahua, right? And if that thing licks me, it's game over. AMC sitting at 17.19 right now. Very high possibility of going back down into the 16s. I do not want to see it, but I'm not going to deny that it is a possibility here. AMC having a very difficult morning along with the overall market. AMC down 4% and sitting at 17.18 right now. Possibility we break that back down into the 16s. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 24.40. We've got GameStop at 139.93, down 7% today. Farmy currently sitting around 1% higher at 12.71. Nasdaq is up or down 0.5%. Sorry, Nasdaq's down 0.5% today. Prague is up 0.5% right now. We've got Sundial at break even 53.06, not doing anything. Must be waiting on some news or something. Just sitting very, very flat there. Mullen Auto $1.83 right now, down 15%. CEI up 15%, sitting at $1 per share. Nasdaq down 0.1% right now. BBIG up about 5%, and Highcroft Mining down 6%, trying to bounce off this $1.85 level, currently sitting at $1.88. A lot of volatility going on this morning, and unfortunately, that volatility is leading us to the downside. Cool, I got a few lands in the Shiba Metaverse. Let the waiting games begin. Wayne, man, very nice. Did you get any in the bid event, or did you grab them during the holders event? You know, I saw that. Yeah, you will see. Dude, I really do feel like that, though. I really do feel like that. You can go from like 0 or 100 to 0 really quick. Bro, good morning. What's going on, AR? I think that this bear market is difficult, but could be the way to get rid of many fake coins that are killing the crypto. Yeah, AR, I think that this bear market in both crypto and the stock market, it's going to shake a lot of people out, right? And if you've got the mentality that the stock market is for you to come in, buy a stock, and immediately get rich, I mean, you know, that is gambling, right? I'm not trying to take the side of like mainstream media or the SEC or anything and say that it's not possible to do, but that is gambling. Expecting to come in and hit one stock and, you know, have $10 million or something. The market really does benefit those that are patient and has a long-term focus on gaining wealth. So you're right, dude. We got our work cut out for us, and it just so happens that we're in a very, very bad time for the market right now. Got this dumb bird that keeps hitting my window and wants to come get it. Oh, you want to come get it and take it back to your zoo? Nick F, yes, man. I would like to come get that bird. What kind of a bird is it that he keeps flying into your window? I would gladly bring him over here. But for real, though, dude, if he does get injured, man, bring that bird over here, or I'll come get him during the break. If he gets injured, don't do anything bad to him, and I'll come get him if he gets hurt, man. Bring that bird back to life. Just take loads of antihistamines. AMC Future Millionaire. I took some Benadryl. Any of you guys take Benadryl? I took some Benadryl last night after I got home. Dude, Benadryl in and of itself is just ridiculous, man. I've seen some memes before about Benadryl. Like, yeah, you can't be sneezing if you fall asleep or pass out in the middle of the field. Benadryl will absolutely just make you fall asleep. It's crazy. My throat gets tight and feels like I swallowed wire from coconut, but I still eat it now and then because I'm not so intelligent. Crypto Rocketeer. Yeah, dude, I told the doctor one time that eating kiwi makes my throat a little ticklish. And he's like, you're allergic. You could go into anaphylactic shock and die. And I'm like, dude, it tickles, okay? It tickles. I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm going to die because my throat tickles. So, yeah, I don't know. We might be testing the boundaries on things, but it's all right. If it tastes good, you got to do it. Check the stock Numi. I've not heard of Numi. Do you think that the fact Robinhood listed Shiba Token is a testament to their credibility? So, Wayne, in a sense, I absolutely do, man. To Shiba Inu's credibility. Not necessarily Robinhood's credibility, but Shiba Inu's credibility. Because I don't think Robinhood is trying to list anything that would damage the reputation more than it's already been damaged. I got the lands during the early bid event. Nice, Wayne. Did you get them right around the hub where a lot of people were bidding? Let's see. Hey, Clit, do you think about the threats to Satoshi? Disturbed PT, man. People on the internet are ridiculous. You see it, dude. People on Twitter are even more ridiculous. Dude. Twitter, I'm going to be honest, social media really does bring out the worst in people, especially because they just want to sit there and give you their full-on strong opinion because they're sitting on a computer and just typing something. And there's no debate, no question. Everybody's an idiot. It's always everybody else's fault. You're so stupid. Like, it's just, it's a war zone for making people hot in all the wrong ways. But I still don't think it's right to threaten some dude. Like, Satoshi has nothing to do with Shiba Inu coin's value. Satoshi's not a billionaire that's going to go out there and do anything. So, I don't know. I don't know if these people are serious when they threaten him or not, but I say don't do it. So, Numi, man. I don't know what we're looking at here on Numi. This is a daily chart, a rather new stock coming out, IPOing towards the end of 2021 and recently bouncing off what seems to be close to all-time lows. So I do see a very strong level of support here in the 45 cent range, 46, where is that? 47 cents. So in this area right in here, touched it when it IPO, touched it back in this area, touched it again yesterday. So it seems to be bouncing off support, but it also seems like it's got extremely low volume. So I would watch out for that, man. 700,000 shares being traded, 200,000 shares being traded. Very low volume on this stock. So, it is bouncing off support, but you're not going to have a ton of volume to be able to sell. Meanwhile, BitNile is sitting up 24% right now at 68 cents. Bouncing back, looking very good for everybody that's in BitNile. AMC sitting at 17.19, trying its best to stay above 17.18. Shiba Inu coin 24.35, GameStop 139.90. Farmy trying to bounce back down into negative territory, sitting at 12.63 right now. Farmy had a shareholder meeting on Thursday night. They still have not released the results of this shareholder meeting. They voted on whether or not they would be doing a reverse split. There has been no news released so far. So, guys, keep your eye on the bottom left chart here. It could get a little crazy as the day goes on if they decide to do what they're supposed to do and announce what the results of that meeting were. You could die, but I'm not going to die. I'm not going to die if Puppy licks me, man. It's not that bad. Where's Danger? Steve Danger! Danger is here. Guys, I see Steve Danger right there. It is yesterday. It was Steve Danger's birthday. So, everybody with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danger. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Danger, man. Congratulations on making it one more year. You made it with us, man. You made it with us. Watch all the birthday wishes roll in. You guys, you bros know what to do. Wish Danger a happy birthday, man. Yes, Will Smith, that like button. Boom, Will Smith it. I don't know, is it too soon? Too soon? I don't know. Smack that like button, would you? Just deleted my Facebook after years of having it. Brother Alfonso, I haven't been on Facebook since like 2015, man. I own a music store in Key West called Bone Island Music and can't wait to open a virtual store on Bone Boulevard in the Shib, the Metaverse. Wayne, sounds like it would be incredible, man. So you're on is there a Bone Boulevard? Are you on Bone Boulevard then? Yep, I must be allergic to turkey. It makes me sleepy every time I eat it. Mark, I think it makes everybody sleepy. What is the what's the chemical in turkey? Or the chemical that it releases when you eat it? I can't even think of it right now. Causes the food coma, you know? No, I can't even think of it. Yeah, Wayne, for sure. Good luck, man. I hope Wayne gets it. Happy birthday, Danger. Thank you very much, Nick F. Matthew says happy birthday, Danger. Thank you. Disturb PD. Thank you. Absolutely. Meta Pockets, happy birthday, Danger. Dindy saying happy birthday. Cassie saying happy birthday. Crypto Rocket Tier saying happy birthday. He is risen, and I was born same day this year. Nice. Steve Danger, man. Celebrating his birthday on an amazing day. 11 on Simon says first. Uh-oh, we're going to have a competition between Simon and Danger, both trying to be first today. Oh, Triple Fan, yes. Eddie, thank you, man. Thank you. Wayne, yes, there you guys are. Triple Fan, thank you. Nick F. Wayne, that's what it is. Very difficult. So is that in the turkey, or does it release that when it's in your body? Because I read about that a long time ago, but I forget. You know, some of the stuff you just let go. Like, there's no sense in really trying to remember it. Is that in turkey, or does it release that when it's in your body? Eat cake. I mean, put your face in it. Either way, shred up, man. Sounds like a good day to me. Good morning, my beautiful kings and queens. I missed you all. Pika Power. Glad to have you in here, Pika Power. How's your day going? Prague dipped below $1. Vengeance. Yes, it did. Prague dipped down to what today? Prague dipped down to 95 cents before bouncing back up a little bit, and it is sitting green right now. It's sitting at $1.01. I don't know if we've got any news going on for Prague. We should have news for Farmy today. NASDAQ getting hit very hard, down almost 1% on the day right now, sitting at 13,257. GameStop 139.34. AMC 17.15. We got Sundial 53.01. Mullen Auto $1.80, down 16.5%. CEI up 17%. SPY is down third of a percent. PBIG up 3.73%, and Highcroft Mining getting hit right now about 6% on the day. No. What are you doing? Don't do that. That's crazy. Chris, man. Thank you very much for the super chat, Chris. Crazy late. Lost track of time. Started work at 9 because I wanted to snow. Dude, they're calling for snow tomorrow here, and I hope it does not snow. Chris, did it snow there? Did it snow? I hope it did not snow. Hope everyone is good. Bills are paid. Taxes are done. Since it's the last day, perfect, man. I know, how many of you actually mailed your taxes in today? Did anybody do their taxes today? Wait until the absolute last minute. I made sure to take care of mine last week. I did not wait until the last day. Did anybody do their taxes today? Or are you plan on doing and mailing your taxes in today? If you haven't done it yet, oh my gosh, you're making me nervous. Bills paid, taxes done since the last day, and I did it this morning due to anxiety. No, Chris actually did it today. Oh gosh. Chris, you're killing me, man. You're killing me. Doing all of his taxes this morning. Anybody got Chris beat? Has anybody not done their taxes yet? Or is Chris the latest dude in the chat right now? Did you hear about the sales in the Metaverse? Around 6 million. So Harris, I have not heard any totals yet so far. If the minimum bids are hit and all of the land sell, it should be around a $35 million raise. So we're going to have to see what goes on with that. What about CDS? I don't know about CDS. Is CDS a ticker? Let's see. Turkey is a country. I'm guessing it has many things in it, but Crypto Rocketeer. Yes, Turkey is a country, man. Vengeance. Prague is going to have a ticker change because it's the 26th of April. I read that they are teaming up with another company. It looks really good. Nice. Shredda. I hope it does bounce, man. I still have my Prague. AMC to Pluto. Yes, Bone Boulevard is public road in the Shiba Metaverse. Wayne, dude, you opening up your record store in there? I like it, man. Dude, Wayne, wouldn't that be really cool if you could sell records? Like if you sold some NFTs or something in your Metaverse store and then all of a sudden it correlated to an actual record in the real world and then you could sell records through the Metaverse that way. What happens if you don't do your taxes before the due date? Simon, I don't know. They probably hit you with a fee, man. Has anybody ever done them late and gotten hit with like a 10% penalty? It snowed here yesterday. Easter snow. Oh gosh, that means it could snow tomorrow. It's raining right now, and they're calling for snow tomorrow. I do not like it. Good morning, Mark L. of the heart-shaped flip-flops. What's up, Mark L? I still don't do my taxes. I am scared to do my... Simon, man, you better hurry up, get those things done. Thank you for the $20 birthday gift, Chris. Clay, bro, you can Venmo it to me. Steve Danger, I got you, man. I got you. Yes, Chris, thank you for the $20 super chat. Not the birthday gift. Don't let Steve Danger fool you. Don't let him fool you. Daycare costs are giving me a $6,000 tax return for one child. I like it, man. Vengeance. These kids are making you money, aren't they? These kids are making you money, and they're not even old enough to work yet. Did mine in February, got my refund Friday, but it was $200 less than the tax app said it was going to. Oh my gosh, Cassie. What's going on with these tax apps? We can't be having this nonsense. They got to be giving it to us right. Good morning. How do I transfer from wallet to wallet? Pugnacious, man. You should just be able to go in there and once you click on your coin, you should see a thing that says like receive or send. If you click send, you can either type your other wallet address in. If you've got the barcode to it or the QR code, you can scan it in ways like that. Very simple. You would just go in and you would put the address that you want it to go to and then click transfer. Good luck, Danger. Take it from me. You'll never get it. Nick F. What, do we still got to go to lunch or something? Good morning, Pika Power. What's going on, Cassie? Pika Power! Thank you for the little cat. Absolutely appreciate the super sticker, Pika Power. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Pika Power. All of you guys sending the cats this morning. Love it. Love it. You guys know that I'm allergic to cats, so thank you. They made $6 million so far of these guys buying lands. One guy bought land that spelled out Shiba and some symbols. Interesting, Harris. Interesting. I really haven't seen a lot of pictures of the land so far, or a lot of updates. Where are you getting these updates from? I would like to get these updates too. Pay your taxes, or Uncle Sandwich are gonna get them cheeks, man. And we don't need Uncle Sandwich getting any cheeks. We want Uncle Sandwich to be doing very well, and we want Uncle Sandwich on our side. Started a file an extension for a few bucks for a few months, and went kayaking. Not kidding. Wayne, man, solid, Wayne. I like it. It's just weird, man. I'm Mark. I'm telling you, it is just weird. Cause our little kitty, I'm a little kitty. Purr. Is that good? Is that a good purr? I don't even know if it was. Morning, afternoon, everyone. DD214, what is going on, man? We've got AMC continuing to move lower, guys. AMC sitting at an all intraday low right now, 1708, 1709. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 2427, trying to bounce back off that 2400 line. GameStop continuing to fall down 8.21% right now, $138.39. Farmy sitting just below break even at 1257. I cannot believe that they have not announced their reverse split vote yet. That took place on Thursday. Still no news there. The NASDAQ getting blasted today. Down 0.84% so far. We've got Shiba, Ethereum, and Bitcoin all lower on the day. Sundial sitting at break even, 53 cents per share. Mullen Auto down 17, almost 18% right now. $1.77, really getting hit hard today. CEI up 17%, so if you guys are in both of those, at least they're hedging each other. The SPY down almost 0.5% right now. BBIG up 3.5%, and Highcroft Mining down 7.5% to $1.86. I don't like where Highcroft is at. I don't own any Highcroft. I don't know if it's necessarily the best investment. I think it's just Adam Aaron trying to bail out his buddies. But I don't like where it's at right here, falling below a recent level of support. So if it breaks this line, I wouldn't be terribly surprised to see a retest of this $1.20, $1.30 level if it continues to move lower, because it is falling through a level of support today, and it's going to be tough, because I know a lot of people out there are holding Highcroft because, Adam Aaron supports it and so on. Do we have news? What is this? Nobody cares about that. Do we have news here? No, that's 6 days ago. Okay. Interesting that they would bring that up. Let's go back in here. Yeah, that's old news. I don't know why. I don't know why that showed up there. All right, sitting right there, break even. AMC trying to fall down below $17 per share. Shiba Inu coin, 24.32. GameStop sitting at 138 right now. Tough morning, man. You need to work on your per, Clay. Pika. I will do that. I will do that during the break today. Happy Ilakajakalifanoco, Frank. Happy one to you too. You're too correct, Pika. Yeah, well, I will work on it. 69 watching. Nice. We got 68. Danger scared one of them off. Hey, Crypto Racketeer. Where have you been? Not in here, I'll tell you that. I need your help on my per. I do need some help on my per. What's up, Clipper family? AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, Trapper? How you doing? Meowdy, Clay. What's going on, Happy Caddy? Trapper, what's good, bro? What's going on? Clay, honest answer, so I'm not getting my hopes up too much. With a normal AMC video posted from everyone, anything to look for, or you guys kind of picking straws for news right now with the normal AMC video posted from everyone? What do you mean normal AMC video posted from everyone? So yeah, dude, with not a ton going on in terms of like actual news releases or really from Adam Aaron. That's the first place that I want to go to if I'm doing videos and so on. Is there any news from Adam Aaron? And I'm going to be honest, even if there is, I don't care too much about the fundamental impact that he's trying to have on AMC. Now, clearly, if he goes out and announces some other company that he's buying $30 million worth with AMC's cash, that's big news, right? And we really should stay informed on that. But as far as like, a catalyst for the squeeze, it is tough to determine whether or not really anything is going to be the catalyst, but I think that's what you mean, picking straws. Yeah, I mean, well, let's put it this way. It might be slim pickings coming from Adam Aaron, but dude, mainstream media, they're posting hit pieces all day long. So it's not that difficult to pick straws and try and defend against some of the mainstream media that's out there telling everybody that AMC is terrible and everybody's going to lose and all of that, man. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't think it's, like, terribly important to stay updated on every second of every day. But, I mean, one video a day on AMC is not bad. How are you, Trav? I hope everyone had a great weekend. Mark, I did have a good weekend. Hope you did too, man. Listening to this silly dude on here. It's crazy, Dindy. It's crazy. All right, Biggie, just taking a break from the market. Getting me down. Crypto Racketeer, I am telling you, the market is getting everybody down right now. The market is loving all of the red. Oh, that looks orange. Does that look orange on the camera? That looks orange. That looks yellow, but that's orange. No, it does look yellow in real life, too. We'll go green. I like green better. Perfect. Start with getting a kitty. There. Start with getting a kitty. That would work, man. Mark, yeah, got a little rest. How was yours? Good deal, Trav. Getting some rest, man. What do you think Shiba would hit 1 cent and you think is going higher than that with a recession coming? I'm very new to crypto. So, Jose, I don't think that Shiba Inu coin is just going to make a run for a cent anytime soon. You got to think of it in terms of, its overall worth and everything. If there weren't a ton of coins burnt, it's going to be difficult to reach a $5 trillion valuation, right? That's more expensive than Apple or Amazon or Tesla or the biggest companies in the world. It's more expensive by 5 times than Bitcoin is. It's more expensive than every single cryptocurrency added together doesn't even get you $2 trillion right now. So to see Shiba Inu coin hit a $5 trillion valuation is not going to be easy. I don't think it's going to happen in the midst of a recession, but I will tell you that as the digital world starts to evolve and plays out, and people are buying things in the metaverse, people are embracing NFTs, people are embracing anything and everything digital, you're really going to see a drastic increase in prices of the metaverse, prices of NFTs, prices of cryptocurrencies, and so on. And then, if the overall crypto market has a valuation of 15, 20, 30 trillion dollars, then I absolutely think it's a possibility for Shiba Inu coin to sport a valuation of somewhere around the $4 or $5 trillion mark. Quiet. Spend the weekend hanging out with my puppy. Always enjoyed time with the dog. Mark, very nice, man. Crypto Records here, I hear you. It's been pretty rough. Clip will cheer us all up, though. Peak of power. Thank you. I do appreciate every single one of you guys being in here, man, because I know the market is brutal, right? Farmy's sitting at break even. Prog sitting up 1%, barely 1% right now. GameStop down 8, almost 9%. NASDAQ getting blasted 1%. Crypto on the board down today, across the board down today, sorry. Sundial sitting just below break even. Molinado hit 18% today. CEI up 18%, so not bad there. SPY down 0.5%. PBIG starting to fall again, about break even. And Highcraft Mining sitting at $1.86 right now, down almost 8%. So it's a very, very tough day. Tax day in the USA. Yes, it is. Holding. Yes, it is. Did you guys pay your taxes? Did you guys pay your taxes or file your refund? We need to know. So I guess everybody decided to sell this week after Easter. Diego, they must have, man, because the market is hitting yet another sell-off, dude. Clay, did you go to school with LeBron James? Jackson, no. LeBron James is older than me. LeBron James is older than I am. I forget when LeBron graduated, but the dude is older than I am, so no, I did not. There's a guy on YouTube who did a video on sales of the Metaverse, showed what was bought, and showed the wallet. Okay, gotcha. His name is Ace Harris. Very cool, man. Very cool. Yeah, I don't have any MetaMask wallets hooked up to the Shiba websites. I don't have any leash or Shiboshis that I could have locked in order to go out there and purchase lands. So yeah, it is. It's difficult for me to see what everybody's got going on. Why am I tripping? Oh, yeah, because we keep dipping. For the love of God, please get back to when we broke the internet. Clay, remember making the video, 8,000 crypto app malfunction? Yes. John, I do remember that, man, when you're talking about when CoinMarketCap.com was messed up and everybody was sitting on billions of dollars in crypto. I do remember that. It was interesting watching the futures market open this morning. Everything dropped due to fear regarding inflation and who's running this. Mark, I'm not going to lie, dude. The futures were down big last night. And then the NASDAQ was actually up this morning. And I'm like, this could be a decent day. The NASDAQ's going to move higher today. We're an hour into the market, and it's looking pretty good right now. And then it had other plans. It decided, we're just going to drop the rest of the day and go on a nice little snowboarding route down the mountain here. And it is currently sitting at 13,230. Getting hit pretty hard right now, so I'm not liking the overall movement in the market today. I don't know if you guys are or not, but I certainly am not. I haven't done my taxes for 8 years. God. Oh boy, Dindy's making me nervous now. Dindy's making me nervous, guys. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Absolutely, Jose. Absolutely. Shiba 2022 predictions. Carlo, hopefully up, man. Hopefully up. I do think, however, that it's going to really be dependent on the overall market. Dude, I honestly believe that the Shiba Inu coin developers could come out and they could announce that, like, Shiba Inu coin is, like, the metaverse is done. And it's the best thing that has ever happened in the history of the world. And Shiba Inu coin still would have a hard time gaining in value because the overall market is getting trashed right now. And investors are really trying to move over to bonds and other crap that is safe. You speak of the next. So Pika, I haven't been like confirmed with anything from Milkshake. I think that AMA is supposed to be taking place at the end of the week, if I'm not mistaken. But Milkshake did send me a DM. Oh, I don't know what day it was. Yesterday or the day before. It was right after I did. Well, she sent me one yesterday and said Happy Easter. But she sent me one the other day when I did that video on the ecosystem. And the thumbnail was like, Shib's not important or something. So I do think if they put on that AMA, that I should definitely be there for that. Right, and I don't think that they're gonna have a problem, man. I think that they're gonna enjoy it, and it's gonna be a good AMA. So, if you guys do have any questions with that, hit me up on Twitter, send them in here if you guys want. But there's a very high likelihood, yes, that I will be speaking if that asks me anything. Whoever I joined Matt Perry's Discord, and I started posting Shib videos on the daily. So if you're in Shiba, join the Discord and show Clay Bros videos some love. Boom! I love it. AMC Trapper's the friggin' man, dude. AMC Trapper's the man. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper. I appreciate you, dude, so much. Prague sub $1. No, Prague is sub $1 right now. Prague is sitting at 99.73. Guys, we gotta hold on to the green, man. We gotta hold on to the green. We've got farming barely in the green right now. 2/100ths of a cent. CEI is in the green by 20%. BBIG barely holding on to green there. Canada taxes are a bit different. I had a job that didn't take my taxes off, so I owed a lot. But now I can do a taxes, and I'll get money back finally. Dindy. Perfect, man. Yeah, I guess taxes would be different. I don't know what taxes are all across the globe. Maybe the market is down today because everyone waited the last minute to file taxes, and some people need to liquidate to get some capital to pay on this. Matthew, I mean, maybe, but I still think that the market is getting hit pretty hard because of all of this crap surrounding inflation and interest rates. As dumb as it sounds, like, I don't get how people can continually live in fear of increasing interest rates, right? Inflation is there. We get that. We understand that. But why continue to sell off? We know that interest rates are going to increase. We know that there's a possibility that interest rates increase at 0.5%. Why does that make you sell off all of your positions and become so fearful that you're afraid to buy into the market? Like, that for me is hard to comprehend. The funny part, everyone says the markets are rigged. What is the Fed government doing, trying to manipulate the markets, attempting to fix the mess they created? Mark? Yes, that is exactly what they're trying to do, man. They're trying to get things back to normal by manipulating the interest rates. You're absolutely right. It's snowing. Oh my God, Nick, don't tell me this. Oh, it probably is snowing right now. Computer says it's raining, but it is a definite possibility that it's snowing. I do not like that. What did Mama Corn say to the baby corn? Where's popcorn? Boom, John. I don't know if that one was that funny, man. But nice try, John. Carlo, absolutely, man. Thanks for being in here. John, good one. You guys like John's there. Where's popcorn? Got 100 prog at $1 flat. My account is now worth $127 after last week's expiration. That 100 shares of prog marks my first purchase as I build back. Devil's Advocate, I love it, man. I love it. Building back. Building his account back. Devil's Advocate, dude. That is commendable. It really is, man. Devil's Advocate, I hope you make it, and I hope it is just absolutely ridiculous. It's snowing in central Ohio, north of Columbus. Interesting, Matthew. I owe like 8,000 in taxes. Oh, man. Is that Canada? Harris? Is that Canada? Wait, I'm a big conspiracy guy, a big believer, and I think, and this is my thought, that AMC GME not going to squeeze until inflation is at like 50%, or 1 million would be worth 500,000, and they want us. Yeah, Mr. Simon. I'm not a huge conspiracy guy myself, right? But I do believe that they are trying to pull the strings, right? I don't think that they control everybody, but I do think that they're trying to pull some strings and get their way with what they've got going on. I don't know what numbers they're looking at, man, to come up with these inflation numbers. I truly believe that these inflation numbers are much higher than 8.5%. Dude, I ordered some food over the weekend, and what is normally like $23 cost over $27. And you go to the grocery store, and everything is more expensive, not by 8%. You're barely going to notice an 8% increase. But you go to the grocery store, and all of a sudden, chicken breasts that were $2 a pound, they're $3 plus a pound. If you go order some ground beef, man, and you're supposed to be getting ground beef for like $3 a pound, and it's sitting at $4.50 a pound, where are they getting their numbers? These numbers are much higher. Gasoline is not $2 a gallon; it's $4 a gallon. I'm sure that everybody in here is getting hit harder than an 8.5% increase on their inflation data, and I would not say it's impossible to see it go to, real inflation, go 50% plus. Are you growing any corn this year? So Nick F, I have not planted any corn, but I am actually very interested to see, because out there's this one thing that shot up over by the little fence that shot up to make me think that it could be some sort of corn stalk, but I'm not exactly sure because I did not replant any, but where I had the old one, where the groundhog or whatever it was tore it down, something else is shooting up over there. So I don't know if it's just a weed that is really growing or if it actually is some sort of a corn stalk. So I'm going to have to know, but I did not plant any. So I'm going to see what's going on there. It'll be snowing here tomorrow. Didn't he know? Yeah, it's supposed to snow here tomorrow too, but apparently Nick F tells me it's snowing here. Smash the like button and help Clay out. Thank you. Smash it like my third grade teacher smashed the closet door after chucking me inside for the Xth time. Oh no. Johnstontown, hopefully you're all good. But he is right. Smash the like button. Please do it. We've got, it's going to be sad. It's going to be sad how many likes we've got. 42 likes, guys. 42 likes. Come on now. We can do better than 42 likes. We got 87 people in here. Oh, man, it makes me mad. All this is happening, honestly. We are being... Mr. Simon, it is tough to deal with. Popping in to say hello and all the Clay and all the Clay bros. Hope everyone is good today. Dunno, I'm doing great today. $3 flat of eggs cost... Oh, my gosh. Mark, I have not actually seen eggs at $9. That does seem kind of expensive for eggs. Chip Bro for president 2022. Can I be vice president? J Bones, let me be vice president, man. Thank you very much for that member chat. 11 months. J Bones rolling on 11 months, man. J Bones might be one of the first to hit a 12-month member chat there. I like it. J Bones, thank you very much for having that green name. Thank you very much for the member chat. And yes, I will vote Chip Bro and myself for president and vice president in 2022. Is that happening? I had a homeless tax in my receipt. Can someone explain? Not me, man. I don't know about that. Congratulations, J-Bone. Yes! It's tough, Justin. Subscribe and like for your brother. Justin, thank you, man. Appreciate that. Subscribe and hit the like button. Clay, if you buy land in the Metaverse, is there public domain, or could they just make more land? Chris, I am almost positive that it's like the universe, man. It could endlessly expand. So you could have... let's say they sell all 100,000 plots in the Shiba Inu coin metaverse, and all of a sudden they want to either make a completely different metaverse, or they want to join two metaverses together. They could. There's nothing stopping them from writing the code to expand the land and join two metaverses together, or just add more plots of land. or anything like that. So that's the tough part, is that the supply might not be, finite? It's indefinite, right? There's no definite supply, unless, of course, they make it that way and clearly state that they're never going to increase the supply of the land. PSA, Secrets of Dumbledore was awesome, as J.K. Rowling is closed-minded. Go see it so they don't cancel the series due to low box office numbers. I don't even know anything about Dumbledore, man. What is Dumbledore? Appreciate you, brother. J Bones, man. Appreciate you. J Bones, double OG. Oh, yes. Oh, yo, homies, what's going on? MG, how you doing? Moji, how you doing? Congrats, J Bones. Thank you. You as well, Trapper. Oh, yes. Public domain. A public low main. Low main does sound pretty good, though. I am kind of hungry today. What's your thoughts on Tectonic? So, Twizzle YT. A lot of people have asked that. I do not own any Tectonic, and I do not know a ton about Tectonic. The only thing I know is that a lot of people are very interested in it because they constantly come in here and ask about it, man. So there's clearly some sort of a demand for Tectonic, but I don't know enough about it to know what they're doing. Knock, knock. Who's there? Clay. Clay who? Clay, bro. Smash the like button. Let's get started. John J. Thank you for reminding everybody to smash the like button. We are sitting at 59 likes right now. I know that we can get up to 100 likes. All you guys do is gotta click that button. Heard a rumor Facebook is going to add Shiba Metaverse to its ecosystem. Harris, that would be a rumor. I have not heard anything about that, and nothing directly from Facebook. Can we make a playlist of your videos where to start watching? Too many videos are out there, and it's just confusing. Where to begin in order for beginner? So, Jose, yeah, man, but are you talking about like a beginner for just beginner in general in the crypto market, a beginner in general in the stock market, beginner in Shiba, beginner in AMC in the short squeeze play? Like, what are we talking about beginner? And what kind of a playlist would you be talking about there? Do you think there will be toll charges entering and moving from one? Oh, man. Mark, I hope not, man. I hope not. And, you know, talking like that, I don't know how long it's going to take to build out the metaverse, right? When you're looking at going into different lands, and I'm not so I used to play like old school Warcraft, not World of Warcraft, where it was almost like a metaverse, right? You had lands and you could travel and do all of these different things. So I don't have a great understanding, but yeah, you could fly to different places. You could, think about it like Pokemon, right? When you could go to all the different cities. Imagine it being like that. If you're playing your Pokemon Yellow on your Game Boy Color and you're trying to fly or swim to the different land, and all of a sudden they charged you to get into the different land. It's that, I don't know, man. I guess it's I guess there's a barrier to entry to begin with, because if you're going to be owning land in the metaverse, it's getting expensive to own land in these metaverses and own these land NFTs. But I don't know if they're going to charge for moving around in the metaverse. It seems like there would be a lot of charging for stuff like that, and a lot of money being spent. I don't know anything about Dumbledore. That is exactly the kind of person who would benefit from seeing a movie entitled Secrets of Dumbledore. I really don't know any. I have no idea who Dumbledore is, though, man. I've never seen a Harry Potter movie or anything, so I have no idea about any of that. I know who Harry is. But I don't know who anybody else is. I can guarantee I'd be so lost in that movie. Hello, everyone. Is it possible to hack a coin? I have a good amount of real link USDT, but the chart seems hacked. Some programmed highs. Ricky, to hack an actual coin, man? I'm not sure. I guess you could manipulate the price in some sort of a way, but I don't know what kind of a hack you think you'd be looking at there. Any talks of massive Shiba burns? So, Justin, I have not seen any talks of massive burns, but the burns really are picking up. I was reading something that like over 1 billion coins were burnt over the weekend, so burn rates really are increasing right now. It would be nice to have non-related metaverses being able to interact and shop at Shiba accepting stores, but could stop at a Shiba bank and exchange their non-Shib for Shib currency or their burn percentage. Matthew, yes, it would, man. And I don't think that that's an impossibility. I do think that, as we see winners and losers in the metaverse space, there most likely will be partnerships and things like that. Only listening, so Clay has to read, is the Metaverse like Free Guy? So I did not see Free Guy, but right now, the Metaverse does not exist, right? You can't go out there and use the Shiba Inu coin Metaverse. They have not developed it yet. Right now, you're just buying these plots of land. But I would assume that would be the goal, right? I mean, I watched the trailer for Free Guy. But I would assume that would be the goal, making it a very interactive digital world. And whether or not it's that interactive, I don't know what exactly it's going to look like, but I would imagine that is the end goal for these metaverses. Nope, they won't charge. It was a point in a corridor. No, it was the point in corridor lens. Gotcha, Happy Caddy. Okay. General new in crypto and trade, and once you start watching random people, they're just pushing weird stuff videos to make educated decisions. Thanks for acknowledging my comments and answering my dumb questions. No, Jose, man, look, dude, that's what these Q&As are all about. There's no such thing as a dumb question, and I truly believe that, especially if you are a beginner. I mean, I guess if you're trolling or whatever, the questions can be dumb and trolls can be annoying, but dude, if you don't even know where to buy cryptocurrency, it's not a dumb question to ask and how to figure that out, because how are you ever going to know if you don't ask, right? I mean, you could Google it, but then beyond that, if there's something you don't understand, it's a lot easier to have somebody explain it to you. So as far as like extreme beginner videos, I don't think that I have too many of those out there on just even where to start getting invested or how to buy your first crypto or anything. If you don't have a broker, there's a link in the description for Webull, and they do make it very simple to sign up, buy stocks and crypto all on the same platform. If you simply want crypto, you've got other exchanges down there like Crypto.com and Gemini and Binance, depending on if you live in the US or not. So you first need a broker to go out and buy. You first need a platform to buy on. And DeFi is a definite possibility. I would say maybe not get involved in DeFi right off the bat if you're brand new, because a lot can go wrong and you can get into a lot of smaller coins that could be scams. But, you first need a broker, man. How many people have bought Shib on Robinhood since listening last week? Karen Smith, I actually do not know the numbers for that. Had never seen a Harry Potter. Yeah, I've never seen a Harvey Potter, man. I've noticed pick up in burns also. There's a lot of clickbait talking about 50% burn by 2023. People love clickbait, don't they? I don't know why. Hello, everybody. Sorry I'm late. Had to train some peeps in an online meeting at work. Red day for most of the stocks. ATER in the green. ATER, I've not seen ATER today. CEI soaring 20%. Mullen Auto down 16%. PPIG in the green. Farmy in the red a little bit down here, trying to stay up. AMC right at that $17 level. It is a very red day across the board right now. There's about 90% chance, if you heard of the Dunning-Kruger effect inside a stock space, it's because of me teaching people what it was and showing it is a problem, so I'll put some respect on it. Yes. I already forget what the Dunning-Kruger effect is, man. Just a matter of mathematics. To achieve a cent by year or close to it, the Shib burn rate would need to consistently expunge 50 billion a week, or 100 million per week. 100 million per week. Yeah, dude, we would need to burn a lot of tokens. I do agree with that. Am I still red, JB? We're all still red, man. We're all still red. People asking how long it takes to build a metaverse. A long time. I've been working on a Game Boy Color game for 2 years. Elder Scrolls Skyrim took 9-ish years. So think about how long a world takes. Happy Caddy, a very long time, man. Yes, and I don't know if there's any templates that make it easier, like if AAA Graphics Gaming, if the gaming studio already has like templates made that they can just tweak and work on there, if that speeds it up a little bit. Don't know the development side of really anything, but I would imagine they would have some advantage. Bought through both Coinbase and Gemini. Very nice, Moji. Yeah, Coinbase, Gemini, I do like Gemini, and Crypto.com. Both of those are very easy as well. And then Webull is what you see in the background right now, if you guys are thinking about a broker. Chat is working like a stare, maybe a manipulation, but it happens almost in the same period of time. Ricky, I think I might have missed something, man. Sorry. Did you see the Thor 4 trailer today? Thor 4 trailer was AMC. No, I've not seen that, man, but I love Thor, so I'm gonna have to watch that trailer. Gotta love Charles Gasparino's Camel Potic, what is that? Topic on Twitter. That man is a parasite. I have not seen it. Crypto Rocketeer. I have not seen it yet. Do you think that Shiba can decrease in supply if they implemented a subscription burn? So yeah, I think that there's a lot of different burns that are going to be taking place over the future. Now, I want to know what you guys think about this. Did you watch the video I did over the weekend about trouble ahead for burning Shiba Inu coin? Because the top 49 holders own over 50% of the remaining supply of Shiba Inu coin. Think about that. You got major exchanges like Binance and Crypto.com and Coinbase and KuCoin owning tens of trillions of coins each. And I believe Binance owns like 90 trillion coins. I think it's going to be very difficult to see them burning tokens. So if they don't burn, I want to what are your guys' thoughts on getting the major holders to be able to burn? Clint, where or can we buy a Metaverse real estate? So DD214, if you're talking about the Shiba Inu coin Metaverse, you can... The public sale is not happening just yet. You still need to lock a leash or Shiboshi in order to buy it. After the public sale is done, which I believe it probably has like 5 days left, you will be able to buy it on Shib.io. You're going to be able to go in there, and I'm sure they'll make it just open to the public, and you'll be able to buy in the Shiba Inu coin Metaverse. There's plenty of other metaverses like Sandbox and Decentraland and places like that you can go out and buy in, but I don't know which one you're talking about for sure. My ATER line is strong resistance. JB putting up resistance at 6 something a share. Come on, JB. Psychological phenomenon showing the relationship between expertise and confidence in a field over time. Basically how people find out two things and become overly confident, not realizing depths. Dang it, man. Explain it easier than that, devil's advocate. Explain it easier. Phenomenon showing the relationship between expertise and confidence in a field over time. So as I become more of an expert, I become more confident in it. Right? Is that what we're saying? Nope. You're in effect making an MMORPG. Oh, man. Yeah, so that would be a very difficult, Happy Caddy. The amount of time just creating assets, let alone writing code for interactions, etc. Yeah, if they're making it from scratch, man. Could you imagine making World of Warcraft from scratch? That would be such a huge project. I have a good feeling about ATER. The chart looking bullish and pretty. It's going to pop off. Eddie, I'm not in ATER, but we do have some people in ATER in here, so I hope that it does for you guys. It's the platform I'm using. Oh, Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple. Yeah. For any Canadian viewers out there, Wealthsimple is another one. Dindy James is using that. I don't think we have Wealthsimple here in the U.S., man. So if you guys are Canadian, you could use Wealthsimple as well. Smash that like button. Listen to Peak of Power, guys. Smash that like button, please. We are currently at 71 likes. I know you guys can get it over 100 likes by the end of the stream. Wait, so this is a Shiba Metaverse channel. No, Eddie, this is not a Shiba Metaverse channel. We're just talking a lot about Shiba Metaverse right now. Clay, I'm going to send you a DM on this project I just joined. It's a pretty interesting idea. JB, sweet, man. Send it on Twitter, right? How happy would you be if anyone created an Uber coin? I don't know if I'd be that happy. I don't know if it would really do anything. Part 1, easier to understand. Thank you. Your answer, it gave me direction. DD214. I love it, dude. I don't know what direction it puts you in, but I love it. Part 1, easier. I changed my blinker light bulb, and I'm like, wow, that was easy. Fixing cars is easy, and being a mechanic wouldn't be hard. Then I changed my transmission, and I'm like, dang, that was tough. Maybe I don't know as much as I thought I did. And as I learn more, my confidence spike goes down and becomes more, okay, gotcha. I gotcha. So as you become more of an expert, your confidence in the field might go down, or your confidence in your ability to learn in the field might go down. I think I understand that. But yeah, dude, it really is easy to change a blinker light. Or change your oil. Could be pretty easy, right? But nah, dude. Putting in a new motor, not for me. Not for me. I'm feeling 3 p.m. and tomorrow. 3 p.m. today, like after 3 p.m. today and tomorrow are going to be good days? I hope so. So, honestly, it could be 5 years. It could be 1 year. At this point, no one knows. Yeah, dude, that's the thing. Happy caddy. So that's one of the things that I've been talking about recently in some of the Shiba videos is what do you guys think about the prices? Do you think they'll maintain these floor levels and they'll maintain these mint prices even if, I don't know, 2024 rolls around and there's still no metaverse that's being developed, or still no metaverse that's been developed, I should say, and you can't participate in it? Do you think people are just going to be like, oh, dude, I'm just unloading this now. There's no metaverse still. It's been 2 years. What are we doing here? Do you guys think that they'll sell under mint price and we could just get lands cheaper than what people actually paid? AMC, big cup and handle on a 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute charts. We got big cup and handles out there. 4 hour. Let's see. Let's go out to a large chart of AMC if we can find it. What do we got? 4 hour chart. We saying this giant cup right here with a little dip in the middle. Can't even zoom out any further than that. I don't know, man. The 15-minute chart doesn't look good at all. I don't like the 15-minute chart. God, what a tough spike back down. AMC's been getting ripped lately. Man. Basically, it's being self-aware of the depths in a field. There's always more to learn. Now, that explanation I can get behind. Yes. Oh my. But speaking of that, let me ask you guys this before we sign off here. So that Wolf of Wall Street dude, that Jordan Belfort guy, I read an article that he is trying to market himself as a crypto expert right now. And I am not going to lie to you. Oh, God, I don't want to put this too rough. He did not sound very confident. He did not sound very convinced, and he did not sound very, I don't know, maybe bullish or active in crypto when he did that interview with Trade Trades last year. It kind of turned me off, man. It kind of turned me off. It just is more of a almost like a financial advisor type of reaction to everything that was going on. And, well, you got to diversify. You got to... Very boring, right? Dude, he is marketing classes right now on crypto. Trying to market himself as a crypto guru. Telling you how to make life-changing money in crypto. He is charging $40,000 for those classes. What? $40,000 for those crypto classes. I mean, in the interview, the dude seemed more interested in bragging about the fact that he took his girlfriend out for a $5,000 dinner than he did talking about AMC or crypto or investments in any way. So, very weird. And you guys just made me think of that though. Or that too. Oh my God, dude, it's like what? Waiting for sub 22. You could hit sub 22, man. If it does fall below 23, I think you're going to be trading around between 22,000 points per coin and 23,000 points per coin, or 2,300 points per coin. Sorry. I commented on one of your last videos about Shiba lands from 2 days ago, I think. And basically, if they open up sales of the remaining lands after this round to people using Shib, they may sell. Yeah. Matthew, I think they're still going to make them use Ethereum, though. I don't think it's going to be Shib related. Homeboy is fair weather AF, and in my opinion, most experts. I don't need to tell you they're experts. You can just tell that they know. They like to discuss the topic rather than resumes, so to speak. I wholeheartedly agree with that, devil's advocate. I wholeheartedly agree with that, man. Dude, let your own, I guess, confidence and passion for the subject matter speak for itself instead of having to prove yourself. Do a Q&A. Have people ask you questions. If you don't know the answer, say you don't know the answer. If you've got an answer or some insight, give some people an answer or insight. He's a filthy criminal. Don't trust a word that comes out of his corrupt mouth. Sammy boy, don't give him $40,000 either, man. I mean, that's a big chunk to market yourself. See, how is it 1 o'clock already? My gosh. Simon Eno, thank you for letting me know it's 1 o'clock already. Guys, did you click the like button? Did we get to 100? Man, 23 more likes. Do me a favor. Get it to 100 likes before we sign off here. But get your name in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back a little later this afternoon. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out, having a good time this morning. Even though the market is red, we are still, well, I was going to say we're still green, but we're still having a good day, regardless of the market direction. Let's get these shout-outs. Don't forget to click that like button, and we will be back later. Sammy Boy Eddie OC is shredded. DD214. JB sent you Twitter DM. Perfect, man. Enjoy your afternoon, JB. Mr. Simon, see you later. Pika Power, have an awesome day as well. AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, baby, dabbing on him like always. Cassie, Shredder, Mr. Simon, Shredder, Moji, Meta Pocket, Shredder, Twizzle, Cassie, Forgot My Cup, Devil's Advocate, Facts. If I was a Super Bowl with stocks and all knowing, I would have more money than I could ask for and would give a free class. It's not charged entire year's salary. Yeah, no joke, dude. Entire year's salary, $40,000 is ridiculous for a course. Probably an online course with no active instructor. Dindy, see you later, Mochi, Allison, Wonderland, Happy Caddy, Mark, Frodo, Pika Power, Mark, Forgot My Cup, Mr. Simon, Pugnacious, SD, see you later, DD214, later fam, Diego, see ya, Dindy James, man, Dindy James says we can't leave without a little unicorn action, so let's get that unicorn action. Dindy James, this is for you, man. Are you ready? We've got the unicorn and we are ready to go. Thank you very much, Dindy James, man. Thank you for the unicorn. Appreciate all you guys. George the Card Collector, see you later, man. Pika Power, Shredder, Mr. Simon, Twizzle, I'm good, thanks, Clay bro, absolutely. You guys know what time it is, man. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.